welcome back to the channel once again. And if it's your first time watching my video, my name is Gigo, and today we have yet another finishes work for you by Ebub. Ebub is our painter here at Gigo Production Group. He's also into POP works, as you can see. So for your graffiato designs, and also when it comes to internal design works, Ebub is your guy, right? If you want to see more of his work, I always say that don't just look at one video and then make a firm decision. Go to the playlist, see the design, see his works, then before you can make a firm decision, right? You might even pick up one or two designs and ideas, from his videos, right? The playlist name is Painting and POP Works. So if you go to my playlist, you go to Painting and POP Works, you will see his works, right? The work he has done, painting, graffiato works, designing, everything is there. And then you call and you deal with him directly, right? We'll be coming up with the update of this, project. We haven't finished yet. Work is still in progress. So when everything is done and polished, we will come back and maybe give you how it started, the beginning, and then the finishes, right? We are still working on it. So just stay on the channel and don't forget to subscribe also for latest updates, right? As you guys know, every year I declare something, right? Based on the construction work, I always declare something on the channel. Last year was about plastering, right? This year is going to be more finishing work, right? As I told you, I want the channel to move in a certain way, right? So if you've been here for the past, I think 6 years, you know how we started. It was only foundation works for like a whole 2 years. Then we moved to block works for a year. We did decking for about 3 years. And now we are getting to the finishing part where you will be seeing only finishing projects here at Gigo Production Group. So just stay tuned on the channel. We have more, videos for you. It's unfortunately that most of these projects, the owners, mostly when it's getting to the end, privacy is something that I always respect. So when the owners don't want to show their homes and stuff, I totally respect that. That's why we are not able to bring some of these finishes. But just stay tuned. The ones that we can, we will do it for you guys, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.